Hello dear student. Today is the last class for this probability topic. So the question is, today we will discuss the previous year's JEE asked questions we will discuss today. The question is, first question, A and B are two events. These are the previous year's asked questions. Two events, A and B are the two events. Then P of B by A. If we given the condition A is subset of B, this is the question. So children, listen carefully. A and B are two events. We have to find P of B by A. All these are the nonsense, no need for us. So only we need that one. A is subset of B. We have to find the value of P of B by A. This is the question. So, listen, the solution I am going to explain. A is subset of B means this one. If A is subset of B, then we have first PUC formulas. If A is subset of B, then A union B equal to B. Then A intersection B equal to A. This one we have in first PUC sixth chapter. So, if A is subset of B, then union equal to B, and then intersection equal to A. This one, first PUC sum. We have the sixth chapter. Now, we have to find P of B by A. So, what is the P of B by A? P of B by A formula is P of B intersection A. This is the conditional probability formula. P of B by A means P of B intersection A by P of A. But already we know it, P of B intersection A is nothing but A. So we can replace this A intersection B with A. So P of A by P of A. So P of A by P of B cancel. Then what is the answer? The answer is 1. This is the answer. So this is the question. And second question is, so same question A and B are, this is our question over. Same question, A and B are two events, we have to find P of B by A. But here we given another condition. What is the condition is, the condition is A intersection B equal to 5. Another question, A intersection B is equal to 5. So children, A and B are two events, A given. Then we have to find P of B by A. P given here condition, A intersection B equal to 5. So how to find this one? So we have the same formula. What is the formula? P of B by A. So P of B by A equal to formula P of B intersection A by P of A. So P of B intersection A means 5. A intersection B 5. Then what is the meaning of P of A intersection B? A intersection B is 5. Then P of A intersection B equal to 0. So this is the answer 0 by P of A. 0 by any number 0. So what is the answer? 0. That's it. This is the question he asked in 2014. 2014 in community he asked this question. Now we'll go to the another question on this model. 2 dice are thrown. Next question. 2 dice are thrown. 2 dice are thrown. The probability of obtaining a total score of 5 is. This is the question. So listen carefully. This is another question. 2 dice are thrown. Here 2 dice are there. He thrown. The probability of obtaining a total score. Total means sum of the two numbers or 2 dice is must be equal to 4. So what is the event? How to write first of all? So total I want 5. So 2 dice means on the first die we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the second day also we have the numbers 1, to 6, 1 to 6, 1 to 6 like this. 1 to 6, 1 to 6, 1 to 6. Okay. Now here like this 2 days are there. He said that one sum of the number on first day and the second day, sum of these two numbers is equal to 5. We'll take suppose on first day the number 1 is there, then on second day 4 made, because of that 1 plus 4 is the 5. Suppose on first day 2 number is there, then second day 3 made, because 2 plus 3 is the 5, because he said 5. Next, on the first day 3 number is there, then on second day 2 made, because of that 3 plus 2 is the 5. On first day 4 is there, then on second day 1 made, because of that 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 4 also 5. So my dear children, these are the elements whose sum, the total of these numbers is equal to 5. He is asking probability of this element, P of E equal to. So before that I have to write N of S also. N of S means here how many days are there? 2 days are there. 2 days means each day contains 6 sides. So 2 days means 6 into 6. 6 into 6 how much? 36. So P of E means totally 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. 4 numbers out of 36. So 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. What is the answer? The answer is 1 by 10. Once again I am repeating. 2 dice are thrown. 2 dice means first day 6 sides, second day 6 sides, 2 days 6 6 are 36. He said that one the probability of obtaining a total score is 5. Means sum of the first day number, second day number, we need 5 answer. 1 plus 4 5, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 1 5. Only these are the possible events. So 1, 2, 3, 4 by total 36. So the answer is 1 by 9. This is the question which he asked in the previous exam. So today all this one 2014 asked this question. 2014 in CET exam he asked this question. Now we go to the another question. Next question. If 2 dice are, next question, if 2 dice are thrown, 2 dice are thrown, the probability that the sum of numbers, the probability that the sum of numbers on the dice to be more than 5 is. Same model question. This one is asked in 2015 Common exam. See children, same model. Just we did a 2 dice are thrown. But here the question is the probability that sum of numbers same to same. We did a same model. Sum of numbers on the dice more than. In the previous question equal to 5. But in this question he is telling that one more than 5. So more than 5 means we will take the index. First of all we will have N of S. 2 dice, first day 6 sides, second day 6 sides, so 6 6 are 36. There are 2 dice are there 36. Now I am going to write the events. What are the events? He said that one sum of the 2 numbers on 2 dice is more than 5. More than 5 means take first die number 1. On the first day the number is 1. On second day we can take like this 5, 1 comma 5, because 1 plus 5 is the 6, more than 5. Next 1 comma 6 also, because 1 plus 6 is the 7, more than 5. In the same manner 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, because 2 plus 4 6, 2 plus 5 7, 2 plus 6 8. All these values are more than 5. In the same manner we will take with 3 also. 3 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, and 3 comma 6. All these values are more than 5. In the same way, we can write 4 also. 4 comma 2, next one is the 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5 and 4 comma 6. All these numbers more than 5 only. In the same manner, diamond 6 sides are there children. So 5 comma 1 is the more than 5, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3. Next one is the 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. All this sum is more than 6. More than 5, sorry. Now with the 6 also same thing. 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2. Next one is the 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5. And next one is the 6 comma 6. So all these numbers, sum of all these numbers is more than 5. Now we will find out the probability of these events. Probability of event equal to number of elements in E. How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 out of 36. If it is chances, you can cancel. With 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Here also 2 1 2, 2 8 are. So what is the answer? 13 by 18 is the answer. This is the method. Is that 2 dice? Same previous question only, but here only condition is in the previous question they said equal to 5. In this question he said more than 5. More than 5 means these are the. That is the question. Now we will go to another question. The next question is 3 dice are rolled. 3 dice are rolled once. 3 dice are rolled once. The chances of getting a score, of 5 is same to same model. This is a 2018 in complicated exam. He asked this question. Instead of previous sum only 2 dice, but now how many dice are there? 3 dice. 3 dice are rolled once. Instead of a previous question only 2 dice, now 3 dice are rolled once. The chances of getting a score, here the score is nothing but total. How much total? 5. Here what is the meaning of chance? Chance is nothing but probability. Probability of getting a total of 5. This is the question. Okay children, now we will write the same story. First of all, we will write the n of s. There are 3 dice. So 6 into 6 into 6. No need to multiply, because of that it is easy to solve. That's why leave it there. Now, I am going to write event E. 3 dice are there. If we are adding the 3 dice numbers on 3 dice number, it compulsory equal to 5. So assume that on first day 1 number is there. On second day also 1 is there. Then third day compulsory 3, because 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 is the 5. Suppose first day 1 is there, second day 2 is there, then this is also 2, because 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 is the 5. Suppose on first day 1 is there, second day 3 is there, then compulsory third day 1 only, because 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 1 is the 5. So that's it, because 1 comma 4 there is no 0, no 0 die means compulsory the number starting with 1 2 3 4 5 6. There is no 0. So that means with 1 no chance. Now we will go for that 2. Starting 2, second day 1, then third day is 2. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 is the 5. Suppose first day 2, second day 2, third day is 1. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 is the 5. That's it children. Because 2 comma 3 0. There is no 0 on any die. So that's it. With 2 no chances. Only 2 chances are there with 2. plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 is the 5. 3 2 not there. With the 3 no chance. With the 4, with the 5, with the 6 no chance. He said score of 5 is total of these 3 die numbers compulsory equal to 5. Only these are the chances are there. That means P of E equal to P of E how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total is 6 out of 6 into 6 into 6. Why not multiply? Very easy to cancel. So 1 by 6 6 are 26. So what is the answer number? 1 by 26. This is the Compute 2018 answer. Very easy sums. Now we will go to the another model on this sums on this model. We will take the another question. A and B are independent events. Independent events. A and B are independent events. Then he given P of A complement. P of A complement equal to 2 by 3 and P of B complement is given. P of B complement equal to 2 by 7. He asked A and B are independent events. P of A complement 2 by 3, P of B complement 2 by 7. He is asking find P of A intersection B. This is the question. So A and B are independent events. First come to the point that he given independent events. Independent events means what is the meaning? P of A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B. This is called independent event. Independent event means P of A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B. Okay. Now we have to find first P of A. He given P of A complement is given. First we will find out from this P of A. So anything complement means we have to subtract from 1. 1 minus P of A equal to 2 by 3. So from this we can find P of A value. 1, 2 by 3 you bring this side minus 2 by 3 equal to P of A. So what is the P of A value? The P of value is 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 2 is the 1. P of A value is 1 by 3. In the same manner, he given P of B complement means 1 minus P of B is equal to 2 by 7. Exchanging of both the terms 1 minus that 2 by 7 to bring this minus plus means equal to P of B. Then what is the P of B value? P of B value is 7 LCM. 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 2 means 5. So children, now from this we got it P of A, P of A dash 1 minus P of B. P of B dash 1 minus P of B. So from this we did it. Now we have to find P of A intersection B. So what is the formula? P of A intersection B equal to. He said A and B are independent events. Independent events means P of A into P of B. Independent. P of A means 1 by 3 into P of B means 5 by 7. So if you multiply 5 ones are 5, 7 threes are 25. So what is the answer? Answer is 5 by 25. This is the answer. So this is the question he asked in 2014 common exam. So next question. Next question is an urn, U-R-N. An urn contains nine balls. An urn contains 9 balls, two of which are white. 3 blue and 4 red red. Army contain 9 balls, 2 of which are white, 3 blue and 4 red color. Now, concentrate. So 4 and drawn 4. 3 balls are drawn. 3 balls are drawn. 3 balls are drawn at random. 3 balls are drawn at random. Then the chance that 2 balls will be same color. And third is different color. This is the question. So listen, here the question very lengthy but solution very easy, and earn is nothing but one ball, assume that. And other content total how many balls are there? 9 balls are there. Here white color are 2 balls and 3 blue color and 4 red color. There are 4. So 3 type color balls are there, total 9. So what he did, he took 3 balls drawn at random. Means totally he took 3 balls. He is asking the chance. Chance is nothing but probability. That 2 balls will be same color. Means out of these 3 balls, 2 balls we need same color and third one is different color. Very easy, children. So total number of balls, it is called N of S. Total number of balls are 9. Total balls are 9. So he is telling that totally is drawing 3 balls. Out of 3, 2 balls will be same color. So same color means we will write first of all white color balls are 2. Next one is the blue color balls are 3. And next one is the red color balls are 4. So 2 white, 3 blue and 4 red color balls are there. Now he is drawing how many balls he is drawing? 3 balls are drawing. So 2 will be the same color. 2 will be the same color means total 3. 2 will be the same color means what is the meaning of the event? Means 2 white balls and one other color. What is the meaning? Here the meaning I am going to tell. I am going to rub this person because of insufficient place. So here one more time I am writing everything. Total number of balls. Total balls. How many balls are there? 9. Here white color. White color balls are 2. Next blue color. Blue color balls are 3. And red color. Red color balls are 4. He is taking total 3 balls he is going to take. So even. But 2 are same color. 2 are same color means assume that 2 white balls, 1 other ball. What are 2 blue balls, 1 other color? What are 2 red balls, 1 other? This is the meaning. 2 white, 1 other, or 2 blue, 1 other, or 2 red, 1 other. Then if we can write in probability event 2 white balls. So total how many white balls are there? 2. Out of 2 we are taking 2. 2 out of 2 white balls I am taking. 1 other color. Other color means what are the other colors? Apart the white, other colors means 3 plus 4, 7. From this 7, out of 7, 1 ball is going to take. Out of this 7, he is taking 1 ball, and out of 2 white balls he is taking 2 white balls. In probability, R means plus. 2 blue color balls. Totally how many blue color balls are there? 3 blue color balls are there. Out of 3 blue, he is taking 2. And 1 other. Other means apart the blue, what are the other is there? Here 2 is there. Here 4 is there. 4 plus 2 is the 6 is there. Out of 6, 1. R means plus. 2 red color. 2 red color means total 4 is there. Out of 4 he is taking 2 red color. And other colors. What are the other colors? 3 plus 2 is the 5. So out of 6, 1. So 2 white balls, 2. One other. So out of 3 blue, 2 blue, 1 other. Out of 4 red, 2 blue, this one. By total 9 balls are there. Out of this 9 balls, he is going to take 3 balls. This is the meaning. So 2C2. What is the 2C2? 2C2 value is 1. 7C1 value is 7. 3C2 value is 3. 6C1 means 6. 4C2 means 4C2. How to find the 4C2? 4C2 means 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. This is the meaning of 4C2. So 2 times. 2 3s are how much? 6. Like this. 4C2 is the 6. 5C1 is the 5. By here 9C3. 9C3 means what is the value? 9C3 means 9 into 8 into 7 by 3 into 2 into 1. This is the meaning. So 2 4 times cancel, 3 times cancel. What is the answer? 1 7 are 7, 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 30 by 3 4s are 12, 12 7s are 84. So if you will add, so understood, 1 7s are 7, 3 6s are 18, 6 5s are 30, 3 4s are 12, 12 7s are 80. If we did 18 plus 7, 25 plus 30, it is nothing but 55. 55 by 84. Now if it is possible, we can cancel it. I think so. No number will cancel here. So the answer is 55 by 84. So this is the matter. In this manner, we will complete. So our probability topic also finished. Thank you. Thank you.